So minor setback in testing the different angles. I hooked up this chain here and wrapped it across here and here and tried different angles, and obviously you can see what happened here. The best strength for this pusher bucket is actually at this angle when it's close to vertical and it's pushing straight. When it's more clamped in, it loses a lot of its strength. But when it's at that angle, that's where it has strength, and that's where it did that. So just a note that as I go forward, as I fix this will be where I want this thing to be picking up buckets, not in a further back position, because it loses all of its strength. So you know, amazing how much strength it has. I never would have ever imagined that it would do that. I would have figured the piston would have stalled out before, but I mean that's a really solid piece of steel, and it warped it and bent it. So the next thing, that's good. That's a good test. It tells me there's a lot of strength in here if we can figure this thing out. And there's a lot of strength for all the bucket attachments. It's just the same piece. Luckily, I've got another one of these. I'll probably have to cut this part off my cutting blade, but onward and upward.